Hello football coaches and football players, my name is Football Coach Allen and today I'm going to give you some 4-on-4 flag football plays. So hello everyone, my name is Football Coach Allen. On this channel I show you football plays, drills, and skills. So if you like that stuff, hit that like button and subscribe. Anyways, today I'm going to give you some straight line 4-on-4 flag football plays. These are not necessarily plays that you can run in a league. If you can, 100% go for it. It might catch the other team off guard. However, these are usually made and used for kind of like backyard flag football that you play with your friends, or if you have like a big party or something going on. These are the plays that you can use. Let's get down to the clipboard and let's check these out. So as I was saying, straight line, that's what I mean by straight line. These are nice and simple. You can explain to your team quickly what you can do. So first, we're going to have players 3 and 4. What they're going to be doing is just in an X formation. Next, we're going to have player 2. He's going to run up about 10 to 15 yards and he's going to cut back down towards the center of the field. What the quarterback is then going to do is, depending on who's open, he's going to pass them the ball, obviously. However, our number one option is one of these two players, because when they cross, they may be crossing up their defenders as well. So now in our next play, what we are going to do is we will have player 4. He is going to go up about 10 to 15 yards and he's going to cut out towards the left side. Meanwhile, we're going to have player 3 and 2 both go up about 10 yards, 5 yards less than player 4, and they're both going to be cutting out towards the right side. What we're hoping for, player 1 is then going to run around. He's going to run towards the center of the field. And what's going to happen now is, what we're hoping for is for player 2 and 3 to set screens for player 4, who is then possibly looking downfield. Again, like I was mentioning before, very simple and easy plays that you can run with your team. Next, what we're going to have is player 4 and player 3. They're going to be going up in a 45-degree angle towards the left side. Meanwhile, we're going to have player 2 run up at the 5-yard line and cut out towards the right side. What we're hoping for again is for player 3 and 4 to screen. And if you're allowing screens like in basketball, this is going to work really well to get player 2 open on this side, who can then run down that sideline, who then can hopefully get a nice easy touchdown. Now, like I was mentioning before, these are very simple, quick, easy plays that you can run in your next kind of pickup flag football game. Of course, if you're playing these in your backyard or anything like these are super simple that you can run, especially with anyone who's a beginner. Super easy, super simple, and I hope that you have enjoyed. I hope that you can beat your friends, your family, whoever with these plays, and I'll see you guys again in our next video, which will be Wednesday.